This is a tutorial guide on how to use top-down analysis based on what I call the triangular time frame. Right, this is just like a talisman into the world of trading top-down analysis. If you understand this concept, trading top-down analysis will be easy for you. So it's a short video, right? It's like a what? Talisman. Anyways, there's something like a talisman in trading. So in this video, I am going to walk you through how you can run multiple time frame analysis within short period of time. With that being said, let's get into it. This should be your guiding light. So technical trader in the financial market. Right, since I've been using this concept, my trading result has changed from the negative aspect to the positive scale, and it keeps on increasing positively every day. Now, the first thing you have to do is we need to understand there's something we call the triangular time frame. Now, first, what is triangle? You don't know triangle? We have done mathematics in our secondary school, elementary school. So we have what we call triangle. And this concept right here is for my VIP students. So my VIP students, sorry for revealing this information right here. Do not worry. Let's help struggling traders. So we have the triangle. You all know what the triangle is all about. Okay. Now, on this scale right here, we have the side here. We have this side here. We have this side here. And we have the center. All right. Now, do not worry. This is not a fine art. This is not an art, right? Now, at this side right here, you start from your highest time frame as a trader. Then you navigate all right here. You come all the way down, and you navigate all the way here. Then you go inside this box. Now, for us as a trader, let's say for instance, before you can use this triangular right here, you have to know the type of trader you are. So we have the position trader. We have the position trader. Get that point? We have the position trader. We have the swing trader. Right? And we have the day trader, day trading, day trader. I will just shorten it, day trader. We have scalp, those who scalp. These are people who scalp. Right? We have news trader, but the news trader doesn't obey this concept. The news trader is out of this concept right there because it doesn't obey this triangular cell concept. Now let's start with the position trader. As a position trader, you start your analysis from the monthly chart. Then you rally all the way, you scale to what? To the weekly chart. No, let's use a different color for this time frame because I want you guys to get this concept. Now you start your analysis from the month. Okay, this is still the same kind of color. Let's just look for something different right here. Okay, you start from the monthly chart. Yeah, good. Now you scale all the way to what? To the weekly chart, all the way down, then to the day chart. Then you make your entry on the 4-hour chart. So this is how you rotate this triangle. So this is a triangle for position trader. You get that point? Now let's say for instance you are that trader who is a swing trader. And there are some position traders they use to start the analysis from the 3 months. Sometimes I do my analysis on 3 months. Most of the time on crypto market or stock market. Because sometimes if I want to hold a coin, if I want to hold a shares of the company, I can go all the way to the 3 months. So if I'm go to the 3, if I am on the 3 months, then it has to be 3M, M, week, and day. You can see the day is my entry. So whatever you see inside this box is your entry because this box is inside. It's inside the box. It means it's our entry, right? So you navigate this triangle and then you come inside this box, right? Now let's get this off again. Now let's say for instance right here you are that swing trader. Your primary time frame as a swing trader is the weekly chart. So you go through the weekly chart and then you go what? To the what? To the day chart, and then to the 4-hour chart, and then you enter on the 1-hour chart. So that is why you can see 1 hour on my chart. Now let's see the reason why you can't see 15 minutes or 30 minutes on my chart. Let's see the reason why you can't see that on my chart. And let's remove this again. We have done for position and swing trader, right? Now let's do for day trader. Now day trader, we start from the what? From the day chart. We go to the 4 hour chart, and then we come to the what, 1 hour chart, and then we go to what, 15-minute chart. Now you can see why I do not have a 15-minute chart, because I'm not a day trader. I'm not a day trader. If by chance you can see my chart, or if I have 15-minute time frame, just know maybe I was tutoring some beginners traders, or maybe I was coaching or lecturing beginners traders, or some of my students who are day traders or scalpers. If I'm not a scalper or day trader, that doesn't mean I shouldn't be able to teach you how to scalp or day trade, and that doesn't mean I have to condemn day trading or scalp trading if I'm not a day trader or scalp trader. There are different roads, different strategy, countless strategy in the market. Just stick to what works for you. I love to position and swing trade, right? Because I love freedom, and the major reason why I switched to trade is because I want freedom, right? Now this is for day trader, 15-minute charts, right? Now let's go for what, for scalpers. Now scalpers are going to start from where? Scalpers are going to start from what? From the 4 hour chart. We have the 4 hour chart, and they roll to the 1 hour chart, and they roll to 15-minute chart. Scalpers might use 1 minute, some of them will use 5-minute chart, but I will advise you don't go below 5-minute chart as a scalper, right? So this is how you navigate this triangle. So this is the triangular time frame. So just before you take a trade, just draw this line. Just use it like a talisman, right? Well, it's not a talisman, no. It's just a way for you to keep track of the time frame you should trade. So now you choose any time frame. Now you start your key level structure from the highest time frame. So if you're a scalper, you start your analysis, your analysis or your key level from the 4 hour chart. Then you align it to the 1 hour, you relate it to 15-minute chart, then you look out for your entry on the 5 minutes. So the same goes for what? For day traders, right? So news traders, theirs is different from this. So this is how you trade top-down analysis, different time frames, your market analysis from different time frame. I'll see you in the next one, right? So do you have a question? If you have a question, put your question down in the comment box, right? If you would like to join the VIP class, you can just put a comment down or tap on the link in the description of this video, right? Or get access to my Telegram group, right? I will see you in the next one. Do we have question? Mr. Odinaka. Whoa. We are just joining the class. It's come to an end. Thank you.